Ever wished you could design faster and smarter with just a few clicks? Canva's Magic Studio makes that possible. And today, I'll show you exactly how to use it to level up your creativity. Canva Magic Studio is packed with powerful AI tools that make designing effortless, whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, or thumbnails. Once you open any design in Canva, simply select an image or element to unlock the Magic Studio toolbar. From here, the real fun begins. Need to clean up an image? Use Background Remover to instantly delete the background, or try Magic Eraser to remove unwanted objects with a single brush stroke. Want to add something completely new? Use Magic Media. Just type what you want, and Canva will generate a high-quality image based on your prompt. If you're out of ideas, Magic Design can instantly create complete design templates from your text or image. You can even use Magic Write to generate catchy text for your designs. Perfect for captions, descriptions, or post ideas. And here's a game changer. Magic Grab lets you pick and move objects from any photo like they were separate layers, while Magic Expand extends your image beyond its borders to give you more space to work with. With these tools, Canva Magic Studio turns hours of editing into minutes of creativity. So go ahead, open Canva, try these features, and see how magic your designs can really become. If you found this helpful, make sure to experiment with each tool and let your imagination take over, because with Canva Magic Studio, your only limit is your creativity.